The Nirian one that deals that is based on the moon. See, the moon is the Buddhist thing, and so we Indians follow the moon. And here they have tried to establish how astrology is so correct, and whatever is predicted 14,000 years back is also today coming correct. But this is about 2,000 years back. One of the great astrologers of this place, not Sholapur but little downward, Karnataka, he described about this thing so clear cut that, I mean, you will be amazed that he said that this great yogi will come on this earth on the Meena Rashi, Pisces. So I am just on the cusp of the Pisces and the Aries, you see. But that's not so important. Then he says that gradually we'll start seeing some miracles from 1964 to 66, which he says that maybe little bit. But he says the real change, Manvantar, in the age, the new age, he will start from 1970. And by 1980 it will take its grip. Alright? That time, by this new method, the new age will be formed, and the old one, Vaivastava. You see, there's another, we have yugas, you see, one of the yugas will be over, and that yuga is in Kali Yuga. So that's how Kali Yuga will be finished from 1970. Will be start receding back, Kali Yuga, and a new age of active divinity will start, Kruta Yuga. New age of active divinity, Kruta Yuga will start. That time, the sun will rule in a new way, the sun. The axis of earth will be reduced, and the speed of the earth will be reduced gradually. And that time a great Mahayogi will be born, who will be completely Parabrahma. Completely Parabrahma. That's me.
Jagamata Sri Nirmala Devi ki jai.
And he will possess all the powers to do or not to do. Means Mahakali and Mahalakshmi. All the powers. All the powers. Before this, people used to go into bhakti, devotion, jnana means reading, Patanjali yoga, and then they used to get their mokshas. But with this new method that this Mahayogi will bring in, the pure power within you, in your chakras will rise, and as a result the Kundalini Shakti will be awakened and will be enlightening. Because of this new method of Mahayoga, you will see with your own eyes, and you will get it in this body in your lifetime, the realization. And you will get the joy of realization. Imagine 2000 years back. He is greater than Blake, I must say.
What's his name, Mother?
His name was, Dalile now, Kasa? Bhujandar. Bhujandar Kaka. Kaka Bhujandar. His name was Kaka Bhujandar. Acharya Kaka Bhujandar. Sattvacharia. Sattvacharia. You don't have to sacrifice this body. Many people, great saints, sacrifice their body in living condition. They went into a cave and shut themselves and died. That's not necessary with this new method. And you won't die either. Means you will achieve your spirit. And the Sakshatkari Santa, बघा शब्द तरी कसा आहे साक्षात्कार. The realized souls, the saints who are realized, the Brahmananda, the joy of the Brahma by this new yoga. And they won't have to go into samadhi. Samadhi is where people just sit down, go on meditating for hours together, and the ants grow upon them and all that is not necessary. Just without doing anything like that, they will get their realization. And they will enjoy the joy of Brahma. Sahaja Samadhi. This is Sahaja Samadhi according to among millions, first one will get realization. So you understand your own position. You see the way sometimes we fritter away our attention in nonsensical things, you realize that among millions you are one. This is written here. We fritter away our attention in useless things like my husband, my wife, my children, this, that and that. So it is written here that among millions one will be selected. Do you follow that point?
लाखामध्ये देख पहा कोटीमध्ये हे वारकरीच म्हणले मला एक तुम्ही बोलताय हे असं आहे की हजारामध्ये 12 लाखामध्ये बघा आणि कोटीमध्ये एक
Then all the human race can get over their death or their destruction by this yoga. You will have to lead a life, a married life, a normal life, may not marry, but like a normal householder. Otherwise you cannot get this yoga shiksha. Like if you become a big saint and a sadhu baba or a guru or something great, you cannot. You have to be a normal householder, maybe married, may not be married, it's not the point. Samsari means living on this earth. In the brass tacks, as you say.
Grassroots.
With brass roots. No, grassroots. But brass tacks are
Brass
not.
tacks, yes.
Brass tacks.
That's going to be English.
Basics.
Down to the basics.
Brass tacks.
Down to the basics. I am getting American now.
I think that's British, Mother.
Is it?
I think brass tacks is British.
Now, what is American for that?
I'll have to think about that.
All right, think it over.
I'll tell you. Nitty gritty.
Nitty gritty. Then all your diseases will disappear so fast with this yoga that you won't need anything like a hospital. In the beginning, these great yogis, you people also, only by touching people you can cure people. It's a fact. Like the Ardhanari Nateshwara is the Shiva, that will be the state of human beings. their old age will disappear, their body will remain as it is, and they will have a body which is divine. What a promise! So don't worry too much about your bodily comfort. Right? Then maybe some of you, if you want, you can fly in the air also. With that body. Also they can become subtle and can enter into the body of, that already you are doing. Enter into the body of others to get them cured. That already you are doing. They will not be touched by the fire and any weapons. Also you will be able to see these subtle things with your own eyes. You can see them. This will not only happen in India but all over the world. India is a country of great punyas. That's why there are powers which will look after the protection of this country, and this country will gradually rise. He says that the Third World War, when was that time?
We only had 2 so far.
The Second World War finished in 45.
Maybe there'll be another one.
Third World War.
They may have go for a Third World War and they will have to suffer for it. After that, this great incarnation will interfere and all the countries will come together with the understanding of collective oneness, and they will understand that war is so horrible. In a very big, I don't know which one, in a very big city, a conference of all the countries will be held. There, not the politicians but the yogis will direct them. Yogis, he is called to yogis throughout. This might be the third war we had with
Korea?
China, maybe.
The Korean War?
No, maybe China, because he says that because of China's aggressive policies and the Third World War, we will have to bear a lot of you will have to bear lots of problems, you see, and these we'll have to fill up the gaps. But through prayers, we'll be able to unite all the countries.
Could be the Vietnam War.
By the new inventions of science, the divine knowledge and the science will become one.
Right. All right. That's inevitable.
With the science, we'll be able to establish the existence of God and of spirit. That is how there will be no difference. There will be coordination between the science and the correlationship between the science and the spirit or the divine knowledge. Already we are getting it because you see on my photograph people get vibrations. It's a science. You see on the television, mantras, all that. If you start clearing through scientific methods, we are also using the science for that purpose. We can prove that these things can be carried by magnetic forces, by sound, all these things. We can prove it. Then he says that because of ignorance and because of Maya, yogis had to suffer a lot to become collectively conscious, Brahmaik, to feel the Brahma. But now, and they had to do a lot of penance. That was so difficult. Will become sahaja. This is the word, sahaja. Sahaja prapta. Sahaja. And you don't have to give up anything to achieve Brahma. In the new yoga system, when it will manifest in the different countries, in the new age, the administration will be governed by people who have their own powers of yoga, depending on how far you are in your yoga and their qualities as yogis. That will be the determining factor. They will be able to create a society which will completely fulfill their desires and their necessities, and people won't need to have money accumulated with them. The poverty and sickness will be completely finished, and in their absence, the country, the samaj, the society will be healthy and restful and without any anger. They have described here about the China attacking India now. These are other places, but this is quite a good thing. They have also given the name of Jacqueline Murray. She is an American lady. Jacqueline Murray.
M-U-R.
They don't spell. This woman had depicted about me, and she had said that a great personality will be born in India, a lady. She said about 1924, I was born in 1923. About correct. But Kiro has said that by 1980, the new Advent will start a new age. There's a difference of 10 years. This is good. There's a lady called Alice Bailey. She's supraconscious, I believe.
Yes, she is, madam.
And in supraconscious state, she has said that there will be a new, you see, because Indians have all their attention on yoga, you see, so there will be a new yoga which will come, by which people will be connected to the Holy Ghost. She has said it, this horrible one, Alice Bailey. There's a danger of a third world war and is inevitable, but it may be avoided if people develop love for each other with this yoga. God bless you. There's a lot of things, but I have just read